So friends, we are talking about first stage of cold and coryza. In first stage, we have already seen three medicines. Number one is the camphora, number two is the aconite, and number three is the nux vomica. Now we are going to proceed further. If these three medicine we have already given and still the patient is having somewhat throat infection, somewhat cough like symptoms, then we can think of bryonia. These all medicine can be followed well by bryonia. Only the patient should have dryness, patient should have a much more thirst. Okay, bryonia patient is always much more thirsty. He required a glass full of water within 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Now we are going to proceed further for the second stage of cold and coryza. Here also you are going to remember three remedies. Number one is the mercurius, number two is the allium cepa, and number three, the most important, is the arsenicum album. If the patient is there in the second stage of cold, see, so many times what happen in first stage, patient won't come to you. Patient will just consider कि ओके थोड़ा सर्दी एक्सपोजर हो गया था, अभी कुछ नहीं गए तो भी चलता है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेज में मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पेशेंट नहीं आते, लेकिन अगर फर्स्ट स्टेज में पेशेंट आए तो आपको तीन रेमेडी अच्छी तरह से ध्यान में रखना है. इफ patient is coming in directly second stage of cold and coryza towards you, so you have to think about mercurius, you have to think about arsenicum album, and you have to think about the allium cepa. So what exactly we are going to see in mercurius? So there is a creeping chills. Okay, patient is telling you कि there are chills and watery discharge are sets in second stage of cold and coryza. So watery discharge are started, which is not there in especially the first stage, but in second stage the watery discharge are sets in the nose, and in mercurius nose discharges is much more sneezing with thin watery discharge. Especially creeping chills is there in the mercurius, aggravation in the evening and at night. And always you have to remember mercurius is a syphilitic medicine, it is a king of antisyphilitic medicine. So always remember syphilitic medicines, जो भी कुछ syphilitic medicines रहते हैं उनमें profuse sweat रहते हैं, okay, weakness रहते हैं, night aggravation रहता है, okay. So watery discharge from nose as well as from eyes, especially creeping chills, aggravation at night, and watering from eyes as well as nose. Sore throat is one more important characteristic which is seen in the mercurius, which is with the pricks and stings in the throat. Patient will tell you कि काहीतरी टोचल्यासारखं, something कुछ तो भी चुभ रहा है, ऐसे लग रहा है. Okay, so you have to remember that also. One more important symptom in mercurius is the bad smell from the mouth is there in the mercurius, and so many syphilitic medicines. Okay, so profuse sweat, bad smell from the nose, from the throat, mouth, throat, nose, bad smell, and evening and night aggravation. Always remember mercurius. Okay, so watery discharge you have to remember. Now the second medicine in second stage of cold and coryza is the allium cepa. What happened in allium cepa, especially August अक्टूबर जो मंथ में जो एक्सपोजर होता है पेशेंट को, दैट इज सीन इन द एलियम cepa. And one more important things what we have studied so many time in our Mantra Medica is when there is a discharges from eyes and nose, but the nasal discharges are always corroding. Upper lip and nasal area will get corrode, which is acrid discharge from the nose. What exactly acrid discharge are? See, we have seen in the Mantra Medica acrid discharge from nose is the allium cepa, which is corroding the surface skin area of the nose as well as the upper lip. What exactly happen? Patient is having burning, stinging. You can see छोटे बच्चों में जब सर्दी होती है तो ये पूरा एरिया ऐसे लाल हुआ रहता है. That is the acrid corroding discharge of the allium cepa. And one more thing in allium cepa, there is a aggravation in evening and indoors. When patient is there in indoor, patient is having aggravation, but patient wants open air, patient want a normal air in allium cepa, just like pulsatilla wants open air, but here we are talking about the second stage of cold, and that is why we are talking about the allium cepa. Okay, in allium cepa with the profuse discharges from eyes as well as nose, but the nasal discharge is a corroding, acrid and burning type. Okay, especially patient is having aggravation in indoor, and patient is having feeling better in outdoors or the open air, and patient is having headache also in the same thing, same modality. and some especially allium cepa we can think of in the children. So this is the medicine which we can prescribe in the second stage of cold and coryza. Now the third medicine, which is again a very important medicine for cold and coryza, most important medicine I will say, is the arsenicum album. Whenever patient is having discharges with a much more burning, see burning का ट्रायो में भी arsenicum album है, phosphorus है, sulfur है and arsenicum album. This is the trio according to the NASH, okay, trio of burners. So arsenicum album, always remember, patient is telling you there is a burning in the nasal as well as throat, okay, so discharges are always in the burning in nature. So throat also burn, and but with a relief, though the throat is burning, but still in arsenicum album patient feels better by the hot drink. You have to remember this, okay. Arsenicum album is also a chilly patient, and one more important thing, the patient is having thirst of sip by sip. Okay, always remember, arsenicum album patient is a chilly patient. They always require water in a smaller quantity. In between 15 minutes, he will require a sip of water. That is the arsenicum album. You all are knowing arsenicum album is the gold-headed cane patient, quite intelligent. But here in the second stage of cold and coryza, patient is always having a burning characteristic of pain, and patient is having especially though burning in the throat, patient wants hot drinks, and hot drinks will make them better. Okay, so great weakness and prostration again always present in the arsenicum album patient. Patient will tell you कि नहीं मला I'm having that cold and coryza and I'm having severe prostration, I want to lie down, and the sip by sip thirst will be there, aggravation at night. So you have to remember, always remember, the second stage of cold and coryza, especially in this case, patient comes to you and the medicines are mercurius, allium cepa and arsenicum album. You have to differentiate these medicines nicely, and then only you can prescribe. So I told you the differences between these three medicine. All the medicines are having nasal set liquid, or the watery discharge has been set in the second stage, but differentiation of medicine is very important. Mercurius में आपको दिखेगा bad smell of mouth लगेगा, and second thing is a slight fever with a profuse sweat रहेगा mercurius में. Okay, watery discharge from nose with a sneezing, sore throat रहेगा, pricking sensation in the throat रहेगा in mercurius में, and night aggravation रहेगा mercurius में. And allium cepa में especially August, September, October में जो भी कुछ cold set होता है, especially in that season, the allium cepa will be marked remedy. And allium cepa में आपको क्या मिलेगा, corroding and acrid nasal discharge, nasal skin will get acrid, and watery discharge from the eyes will also be there. Especially open air amelioration and indoor aggravation will be there in allium cepa. Headache as well as in case of the in case of children we can see allium cepa. And arsenicum album, the most important medicine. And in these acute stages you can repeat the medicine, because in acute stages the susceptibility is quite lower. You have to repeat your medicines regularly, thrice a day or 4 times a day. I am telling you about only and only acute stage. Okay, in chronic cases we cannot repeat medicine. In chronic stages we have to give simple medicinal substance at a time. Okay, but in case of acute diseases we can repeat that medicine for 1 or 2 days, and patient will get a very good result. Thank you so much for acute stages of cold and coryza. Thank you.